You both have that in common. I mean, one thing about Shah Rukh and Deepika, that they're both very awkward in social outings. While they are massive movie stars and have what is perceived as extroverted personalities, far from the truth. You have to know this about Shah Rukh Khan. He's the most awkward at a party. He likes to find a corner and be there. And try taking him into a departmental store or any kind of place where there are people and he will be awkward. The same goes with Deepika. There is this duality, right? That people expect you to be a certain kind of person. Combating that duality is tough sometimes. Because people have a way of expecting you to always be Shah Rukh Khan. How tough is that?
I don't know. I don't work for expectations. I don't work for any other reason. I only do anything that I do with a lot of reality to it. मैं बहुत सच्चाई से करता हूँ. मुझे अगर कोई चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती, if I don't like it, I don't do it. So, but I'd be very honest. I don't know more than being anything else as an actor. I love making people smile and make them happy. So when I come on the stage, I can be very shy, I can be very awkward, I am, all that. And that's why I love Deepika, because she's taller than me. So what happens is, when we go out to a party, I can hide behind her.
It's true. We're two awkward people, and then he runs behind me, and then I'm running behind him, and they're just trying to hide behind each other.
But there is no duality. It's very strange. मैं बहुत shy हूँ. But with hundreds and thousands of people, I'm very happy because I know I can bring happiness to them. But if I go to a personal party, I don't know how many people are going to get happy. मैं तेरी पार्टी पे आया. जैसे मैं करण को बोल रहा था कि जब पार्टी पे बुलाता है तो फैंसी ड्रेस पार्टी होती है. The theme is gold. कहाँ से लेके आऊँगा gold? The theme is shimmer, sizzle. तो ऐसा ना, then I feel very much like an outsider, like a penguin in a zoo. in the wrong cage. So तब मैं outsider जरूर feel करता हूँ. But you know, when if I come to your party and I stand in the middle of the party, Karan has lovely parties, we all know. I come to that party and if I do this, वहाँ पे एक भी आदमी ऐसा नहीं है जो ऐसा करेगा. सब ऐसे देखेंगे, अरे ये तो देखा हुआ है, क्या कर रहा है ये शाहरुख and all. तो ये जो प्यार है makes me want to do things for real people. So this is not duality. All of them are my own. At parties, बहुत बार करूँगा, यही तो आता है करना यार. और आता क्या? So at parties, I meet strangers, known strangers. Yeah. In public, I meet my own. So I don't feel awkward with my family. Yeah.
Deepika, we spoke just briefly right now about the biggest joy of being a parent. In what way? I mean, you know, when I've been asked this question, in what way it changed me when, you know, Yash and Ruhi were born. And the first thing it did was bring in a sense of like responsibility that I've never felt before. Like, because, you know, two lives that you have to govern and nurture, and you're so accountable to those lives. Did you ever self-reflect about what's the big change that happened immediately after Dua was born and brought into your beautiful life?
You know, it's interesting that you're asking me that question now, Karan, because I feel like I'm discovering that. I'm discovering this new life post. Of course, like you're saying, the minute you've had a child, you're now responsible for another human being. And especially in our industry where everything has been so, or at least in the way that I've led my life, it's not an industry thing, sorry, it's in the way that I've led my life, it's been so much about me leaving home, my ambition, my career, everything has been about my life and everything that I wanted for myself, and now suddenly you're caring for this little thing, and that is dependent on you for everything. And I mean, I've always wanted to be a mother, so I'm, you know, enjoying every bit of that. But I think I'm now navigating what this new life for me post-motherhood is going to be. And, you know, just sort of being responsible, like you said, for another person. Yeah. And that person comes before you. I'm navigating that. I don't think I found the answers to that yet.
Well, you should ask the parent of the decade, like literally, because I want to tell you, each and every time I look at the way he is with his 3 children, I die of all kinds of complexes, because he's present for them at every juncture, at every annual day, every sports day, every event. He's training them to run. I can't do any of those things. I'm not physically capable, but like he's just like this model parent. Like, how do you even do it? And why do you do it? Because we die of that comparison.
So I'll tell you, I think it's a line by a writer, a lady writer called Sue Townshend, or maybe I'm wrong. But I read it somewhere when I was growing up, and maybe because, I'd lost my parents, so it has some effect, but I don't want to go in the past. It said, the decision to have a child is the decision to allow or take a piece of your heart and allow it to walk outside your body.
That's so true.
So, I think, sir, दिल का टुकड़ा ऐसा ना, मेरी माँ हैदराबादी थी, अमा तुम्हारा दिल का टुकड़ा ना, so it's really a piece of heart walking out. मेरे पास 3 हैं, एक बड़ा हार्ट है, एक मीडियम हार्ट है, एक छोटा हार्ट है, छोटे छोटे पीसेस मेरे चारों तरफ घूम रहे हैं. So I really feel, even when you asked about the lonely at the top bit, I just like to tell everyone जो यहाँ पर हैं, जो जवान हैं, जिनके बच्चे नहीं, उनको मैं एक तरकीब बताऊंगा. जो मेरी उम्र के हैं या जिनके बच्चे हैं, उनको ये तरकीब बताऊंगा. You will never be lonely if you can make your children laugh. And those who don't have children, if you can make your parents laugh, you'll never be lonely. So I think this is, और मैं इतना फनी हूँ मेरे बच्चों के लिए कि मैं उनको अगर कभी डांटता भी हूँ, या डांटता, मैंने आज तक डांटा ही नहीं बच्चों को. दीपिका को भी नहीं डांटा जब ओम शांति ओम में बच्ची आई. So when I say something, अरे listen, you have to sleep by 10 o'clock. Mama has said this. So what do they do? Oh my God, SRK. बेटे को हाथ लगाने से पहले. So they do all this. So I am a joke in my house, but more than a joke, I think I make my children happy, my family happy, my wife happy. And if you are young, then just make your parents happy, and you will never feel lonely in your life. I think that's the trick.
But there's just some things that you do that are very tough for us to emulate, because my son came to me once and said that Shah Rukh uncle trains Abram before sports day. Why aren't you training me? I mean, can you imagine me training my son how to run on sports day? Do you think that's even physically possible? It's really quite terrifying.
I think, Karan, what you should do is, because Deepika is such a wonderful athlete, it's in her genes.
Send them to me.
नहीं. पहले करण तू ट्रेन हो जा हमारे से, उसके बाद तू जाके बच्चों को ट्रेन करना.
I don't know when this became a roast, but anyway, आपने जो भी कहा सर आंखों पर. But as you know,